Perfect. He's gonna feed the fish today. Tighten that drag a little bit. Shark. What are you? Are you a bluefish? Good win for the fish bites. They gotta be something like 11 inches legally. Water. Blue fish. 12 inches. Alright. Got hooked all the way through the mouth, dude. I am so you gotta get that hook. And I had something on. Another bluey. I don't have my ruler with me, so adios, dude. Oh, this. But it's so dark I can't even tell what it is. Oh, we got ourselves decent sized little whiting. Come here. Alright. Man, what did you do? You just went in circles around my Sputnik, bro. Oh my goodness. Bluefish. Yep. I don't think I'm gonna keep any bluefish tonight. Just cause biting down hard, bro. You can keep the bait, bro. Just open up. Open your mouth. So, oh. There we go. Good job. Now you got a free meal. Alright, adios, dude. And it's still tedious trying to bring as much stuff as I... Little rinse here. Well, that's going to be it for the day. That actually went a little better than I expected it to. Got a couple of bluefish, couple of whiting, and I'm surprised I actually only caught one shark. Learning a lot about fishing lately and doing better, and it's a learning process, and you know, we're gonna get our variety in the next one, hopefully.